going 20 miles an hour because the person in front of me can't go any faster. There's a person in front of them going slow. And it is really coming down here. The wind is blowing